Okay, so teacher only day, and I'm just going to go through the overview of the day. First thing, start off at 9 o'clock, and you'll start by joining a group, and as you walk in the door, you'll find out what group you are. You'll be in groups of 3, and this is your group for the day, and there'll be 2 groups per table, so 2 different groupings together, but you will be in your individual group for the day. First thing I do is look at Teams, because that's where all the information is going to be, and the idea is this is where your classes will get all the information and work through from there. So what we've done, we've just got a context for today. So first thing to do is check your email. There's a link to a YouTube clip there getting you into Teams, and if any slim chance you can't get in there, Steph Mills will be able to add you to your team. So the context for today, and there is a context because it's pretty hard to do any learning without a context. You will be in your teams, you'll be building a bridge. Some of you have done this before, some of you haven't, so lean on an expert if you need to. So what you're going to be doing is doing some research, and you can drop into a PowerPoint or something else, your designs and reasoning behind your designs. So again, that ties into your research. You can do drawings on a computer, so you might do that in OneNote if you've got a stylus, or you could use the whiteboard, or you could use paper and then photograph those things or film them. And your completed bridge images and your testing, you can video those as well. So all these will drop into a PowerPoint using PowerPoint Mix to create a video, exactly what I'm doing right now. The timeline is 9 o'clock, get into your teams. Then I'm going to also give you a quick video on flipped learning, and you're going to have a quick discussion around that. At 9:45, you're going to research your design and decide on your teams, as in the people in your team, your approach. And by 10 o'clock, you should be modeling away. At 10:30, it's time for a cup of coffee, and go through from there, and maybe a bit of cake to go with that as well. 11 a.m. you're going to continue on your modelling. The number ones are going to have a head off to do some coding with Neil Moyer in Tech 6, and the rest of you are going to stay and continue on the construction. At 11:45 you're going to switch over, and if you were at coding, you're back on construction, and the others will go after coding. At 12:30 it's lunchtime and time for a sandwich or whatever you are having there. At 1:15 to 1:45 you're going to complete completion of your building, testing, record your PowerPoint mix, and print an A3 poster, so you can divide those jobs up in your team. A slide from a PowerPoint will do for your poster, because Karen will need it for the last session of the day, which is 1:45 to 2:30, and that's RASMA. When you've completed that and Karen is finished with you, then you can head home, except for the Pounamu people who will be staying for a meeting. Thank you.